Hello everyone, in this video you will learn how to create an account for CoSpaces, the platform you'll be using for your VR in this course. So you will first go open your web browser, you can use Google Chrome like I'm doing, and you will just search for CoSpaces.io, which is the platform we'll be using for CoSpaces. Then you can just enter, and you will enter the CoSpaces page. After which you have to register for an account, so just click on register. And create the account as a teacher. So just click on teacher. Just select I'm 18 or older. And then you will just have to scroll to the bottom of the page and agree. So click on I agree. So you use this function to create your account. So for example, you can just type in a name, a username. Then you can use your own email. And password. After you have done so, you can choose whether or not you want to subscribe to the newsletter subscription. And then after that, you will just go to your email to just activate the account because there will be a confirmation email sent. After which you can already log in using your username and password that you have just created. And this is the end of how you can create your CoSpaces account. So when you go into your email, you'll see the confirmation email that you have received. You can just click on it, and then just click on confirm email, which will lead you to a page that says your email address has been confirmed. After you click on continue, you will automatically be logged into your CoSpaces account.